In this video, we are going to see how we can change the shortcuts in Brave browser. So if you want to customize the short keys, whatever is used, like Control T for the new tab, if you want to change that to something else, or if you want to change and customize other short keys, like for downloads, right now it's Control J. Let's say we want to set it to something else. All we need to do is just go to the settings at the bottom. And on the left hand side, if we scroll down a little bit, we will see this system option. Click on that and it will show you shortcuts right at the top. Click on that and it will show you the shortcut commands for every single one of them. So let's say you want to customize it for the new window. New window is Control N. Let's say you want to add something else. Press the desired key, it says. Let's say that we want to use Control W for it. It will exit out of it, but we just make sure by going into that particular section again, or we can even operate that, but let's check. Okay, right now it's not saved. Let's say that I want to add this. I just press N and I want to save that as a shortcut key instead of Control N. So I'll just disable that after that from the minus sign. And then whenever we want to open a new window, we just press N and here it is. So that's how you can customize all of the short keys according to your convenience. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.